Hello, I am here up with another challenging job that is basically involves external application that is Outlook to read emails and then get the useful information from those emails and then generate some reports on basis of the same information. So when we have to do this same job manually, we have a lot more complications and takes a lot of time to get the information from emails, and there are also possibility of human errors involved in this whole process. So we will see that in just a few minutes we can generate a complex templates and reports on basis of the email we can select from the Outlook app using the Excel VBA macros. Okay, let's start from scratch. Okay, here I have this file. uh, this button will launch a form interface. Then I will click the fetch emails to see the list of my emails which I need to manipulate. I click fetch emails, and that will pop up the Outlook folders on my screen, and I can select my desired folder and click OK. Then it will read the emails on basis of my given criteria, because not all emails can be formatted, because some may not have our required information. So I just need to filter out such emails which are useful for our template information. So then I click any of that email. I click this will take a while because that information is being fetched from the email, and it is being imported into our Excel. It says okay, it is imported successfully. Okay, then I can simply generate PDF forms from here. I have more than 9 pages, I guess. I have 9 pages report that needs to be generated using the same information. Sometimes there is repetitive information we need on the each report, and sometimes we have different patterns, formatting, and other things. So I have got before I have generated the templates and configured them to display that information that we select. This will take a while processing the PDF files. Uh, This is basically interacting with external application, generating PDF file. You will see that in the same folder. We can see here this file is just recently generated on 2223. Okay. So this information, let's take a look at that. This message file has been generated, a report or file, whatever we say. Okay, then I can go to that report, and we see here that all this information has been populated from here. These checkboxes, these are also updated on basis of the email information. These forms, these checkboxes, and all this stuff. Then we see here, we have how many pages are there? There are 9 pages we see here. So you see that every report has a different format, but same information, or like name, date of birth, and other things we need to appear. So just within less than a minute, we have generated the uh, report on basis of the email. If you want to generate another report from another email, uh, let's read again to the Excel interface. Okay, click OK. Then I will see all the lists here. Okay, then I click, and this should contain the name Kenneth, and then I click generate PDF, and we will see that we will have another report generated within a minute. That's pretty useful. Will save your time definitely, and will eliminate the possibility of errors, human errors. Lot of efforts, lot of time. Uh, that means money to you. Okay, just wait. We are getting that information. Yeah. Okay, so here you see the name they selected there reflects here and all the respective information from there. If the date is not in proper format or not given, that will be reflected as dates, and somewhat everything is selected from there would reflect in our these forms. The gray areas is protected that are not means to be on our report, and similarly all information which is not available that is represented as a dash, and other will be updated accordingly. So if you need my assistant on any of similar project, please reach me out on my profile on Fiverr and ever. Thank you very much. Bye.